हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करते हैं आप अच्छे होंगे। आज के लेक्चर में एक टॉपिक ने मैट्रिक्स में छोड़ दिया था जिसका नाम था इनवर्स बाय एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। कई बच्चों के मैसेज भी आए मेरे पास कि सर आपने ये टॉपिक छोड़ दिया, लेकिन उस टॉपिक को छोड़ने का एक लॉजिक था। बिकॉज ऑफ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कंसेप्ट, कई बार हम लोगों को कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे समय पे करानी पड़ती है जब हमें कुछ बात की कंसेप्ट बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाती है। तो दैट वाज द ओनली लॉजिक टू लीव आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक फ्रॉम दैट टाइम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। अब हमें किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स निकालना जो आता है वो हमने मैट्रिक्स मेथड से या एडजॉइंट मेथड से भी सीखा है। ये क्वेश्चन जब भी आपने करना है जब आपको पर्टिकुलरली इन्वर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बाय एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लिखा गया हो। स्पेशली एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अगर लिखा गया हो तभी हमने इस मेथड को अडॉप्ट करना है। Because of the reason, because it involves much calculation and much processing steps. First of all, whenever we have to find out the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation, then first of all, in rough, we should have the answer of this question, that is inverse, and that is the that value. If I will proceed in previous lecture this question, then I don't know the concept of that value. Therefore, I have done this question at this stage because I know now the net value of of that question. So this is the net value 3 to the 6 plus 1. Please just interchange them, and we have interchanged them, and just change the sign of these non-diagonal elements. So this becomes the answer in rough stage. So first of all, in this question, have the answer of particular question for which you are going to find out the inverse of matrix. But this is not applicable in 3 into 3 order matrix, because 3 into 3 order matrix there does not have any shortcut method to find out the inverse. Now, if there is an elementary transformation, then we can proceed this question either by row method or by column method. Either by row or column. So now there is a choice. You can proceed on your own either by row or a column. But by row it is much easy, and by column it is not difficult, but we have to take in another way. Now this is the chart, or this is called U method, or the target level. What is the target level? That is T1 target 1. In target 1 you have to achieve or you have to obtain unity, and target 2 0. Target 3, here I have written down check post. Check post means in T3 check post या T3 stage या target 3 stage we should have either that value, its factor or multiple. Suppose there is that value 7. Now at T3 either we should have 7 or -7, 1 or -1, 14 or -14, like that. Now we will proceed to target 4, that is 0. That is we have to make the given matrix into identity or unit matrix. So this is the target. Now we proceed. If we do by row method, then we have to take A, I, A. If we proceed by column method, then column method, for the column method this is the procedure, and T1, T2, T3 and T4. Here the check post comes the check post. This is the column method. But here we take the row method, the A, I, A. Because if we multiply by any matrix, by a unity matrix, then it comes out the matrix. This is the basic concept. Here we take A, and now here we take the identity matrix A. Now step by step we have to take each and every element by the target level method. That is, here we have the 3. Now we have to make the 1, but we can't make it 1 by simply dividing by 3. 99% student make it 1 by dividing 3. You can divide. You can divide any row by any scalar. This is not the procedural, this is not the row. But if you divide it by 3 at primary stage, then here comes the fraction all the way in question. And if fraction comes all the way in this question, then it is becomes very difficult to deal with them, because we can't add and subtract fraction easily, and that is why we involve the rows together. If we proceed with row, then we can't take the column as the procedural step. We will not involve the column in the question. So if here it becomes 3, then we take this row, divide, multiply by 2 it and subtract it. Like that, R1 goes to R1 minus 2R. 2 1 ja 2, subtract it 1, 2 2 ja 4, subtract it minus 5. Now this is the target 2, this is the target 1. Now target 2, now we have to make it 0. So R2 goes to R2 minus R1, and that is 0. And here it becomes 7. Take C. What I have said earlier, check post. Now here comes 7, and this is the dead value. If that value does not come here, or either it's multiple or factor, then it means you have taken previous step wrongly. Beneficially, you have not taken step. They are the malefic steps, and if you have the malefic step, then the check post will not come right way. So please, if here that value does not come out, then that means these two steps to make target 1 and target 2 are wrong. Now divide it, R2 divided by to make it unity, and that is here now comes the fractions only. Now please make it 0, and that is the, you have to make it 0, multiply by 5, and this becomes this. Now simplify this, and this is the A, and you have come, the answer is here, and please match it the previous answer you have made before the questions, that you will see the answer is here. So these questions of elementary transformation is very good. Please, but one point which I want to state, please do it only when you are asked by elementary transformation. If just it is asked that it is the inverse, find the inverse of matrix, please do it by matrix method or the adjoint method. We take another example. We take another example, that is A equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Please see again. If you cannot have any step properly, if you can't consume any step properly, please see again. That is the rough. First we will make the answer. Again I have said earlier, that is the dead value 1 by 5. Please interchange the diagonal step and make the change sign of the non-diagonal step. This is the final answer. That is the interchange the diagonal step and make negative the step of non-diagonal step. This is the answer. Now again 99% we will proceed by row method. Column method will taken only when then the element of the first column will be even number in both types. In both element of first row will be even, then proceed by column method. This is the PTR which I will state like that. PTR, point to remember, if both elements of first column are even number, then proceed with column transformation. A equal to I again, A 1 2 minus 1 3 1 0 0 1 A as the previous questions we have done. Here the target one, again I write down the target level, that is T1, 1, T2, 0, T3, check post, that is the that value or its factor or multiple, that is T4. Now here the target one is already achieved, therefore you have not touch it. Now the target 2 is here to make it 1, 0, 1 minus 1, that is R2 goes to R2 minus twice of R1. 1 minus 1 twice, 0, and minus twice, that is 5. There, see that. That is the 1, 0, twice, minus 2 and 1. This is the A. Now see that you have done in the right way, because at check post we have come across the that value or its factor or multiple. R2 divided by 5, that is 1 minus 1, 0, 1. 1, 0 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. This is A. Now you have achieved the target 3. Now it comes the turn of target 4. 1, 0, R1 goes to R1 plus R2. This is the G1, 0, 0, 1. 1 minus 2 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. 1 by 5. A. I. This 3 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. It becomes A. A inverse into A. 1 by 5 common. That is 3. 1 minus 2. 1. This is the A. Delete it. A inverse, and that is the final answer. So you can similarly do one, that is the 2 by 2 elementary transformation. So we are left with 3 into 3 elementary transform matrix. We will discuss it in the next lecture, but before we proceed in the next lecture, I will tell you the method to, as like in 2 into 2, we cannot have the answer in 3 into 3, that is into 2 into 2. But one thing which we have to check into 3 into 2 elementary transformation, please find out the that value in the rough of the matrix so that you can have an idea about the answer of 3 into 3. Otherwise, there is no way to check the 3 into 3 determinant 3 into 3 matrix by elementary transformation. But just I recall you the method to adopt the 3 into 3 method, that is the W method. This is the target one. Here you have to make 1, and target 2. Here you have to make 0 with the help of target 1. This is the target 3. Again take the help of target 1. Now you proceed to target 4, that you have to make it 1. Now you proceed to either T5, the target 1, that is the 0, and target 1, and target 6, this is 0, and target 7, this is the check post. This is the why, क्योंकि मैं आपको इसलिए कह रहा था कि 3 into 3 का मेरे पास आंसर को कंट्रोल करने का कोई मेथड नहीं है. 2 into 2 में मैं आंसर डायरेक्ट आपके लिए बना रहा था रफ में, पहले मैं आंसर बना रहा था फिर मैं प्रोसीड कर रहा था. लेकिन 3 into 3 में हम क्या करते हैं, हम चलते रहते हैं, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं पता लगता वी आर गोइंग ऑन राइट ट्रैक और वी आर गोइंग ऑन द रॉन्ग ट्रैक. But this W method track you control you कि whether you are going on the right track or the wrong track, and that is the T7. If check post here becomes the dead value or its factor or multiple, then it means you have done 5 or 6 steps in right way, and this is the T8 and this is the T9. This is 0 and this is 0. So this is the W method for calculating the inverse of matrix by elementary transformation. So first calculate the dead value in rough for the answer and then proceed further. We will discuss 3 into 3 elementary transformation in the next lecture for the inverse method.